Okay, so let's look at this vent system. The last time I went over the sanitary system, which is this layout, this is what I went over the other day. This is from the floor drain, so let's go back just to get a look and see where we are. Okay, so let's lay out this vent system. I'm going to go clockwise and start off with my floor drain. And let's go here. So this is the vent. Let's make sure that we have the system type, and the pipe type is going to be PVC, and my system is going to be sanitary vent. So what I'm going to do is go back to my wall here, and I'm going to make sure that nothing is highlighted. So in other words, you see where the blue is, the horizontal blue. I don't want to click here because Revit is going to give me some type of an error. So I'm going to offset it a little bit and come about right there. So what I've done is, for my vent system, is going to be 11 feet above the floor. So from here, I want to come off at 45 degrees. But before I do that, what I want to change is my middle elevation. And the middle elevation is going to be 100. And after I set that middle elevation at 100, I can come back down. And my angle can be 135. In this case, it's going to be 135. And so if we look back, we can see that it goes up 11 feet. Well, it's 11.2 in this, 11 feet in this case. Okay, so that's good. I was going to say 11.2. I thought that was a 2, but it's not. Let's go back and let's pick up the shower. And same thing for my shower. This is going to be my vent piping. I'm going to go over just enough. Let's get off of that. I don't want any type of what looks like it might be a snap. So I'm going to offset it a little bit and come, but I want to give myself enough room so that I can make the elbow. So I'm going to click about right there and come up. And since my vent riser is going to be here, okay, in this riser, in this wall. So what I want to do is come up and go over 135, but I have to change my middle elevation again to 11 and come back over 1, 2, 3, 135, and the same thing. So the vent is going to come across counterclockwise going this way, but I'm going clockwise. So the next is going to be my kitchen sink, and we have kitchen sink here. And I'm going to go up and give myself enough room. Maybe, see, I pass. I don't want to go here because it's going to give me an error. I'm going to go past it just a little bit, come up, go 11 feet, 11, and come up 45. Give myself enough room. So I've made that connection. Okay. So let's go over. So I'm going to have a common vent in these two lavatories, because I can create a common vent here, and I can choose either one of my lavatories because these two are connected, so I can have a common vent for those two lavatories. And I'm going to choose, doesn't matter, I'm going to choose this vent. So I go here, make sure system type is at vent. So I'm going to go this way, go past, maybe about right there. That looks good. I'm going to go straight up 11 because I want to come across the room at 11. I don't think I have my mechanical. Okay. So I'm going to have to load in the mechanical model. Okay. So I have my water closet, and my water closet is going to be, it's going to be the vent for my water closet is going to be wet vented here. So I'm not going to bring a vent from my toilet over, because it's going to be wet vented this way. So I'll use this, another vent system. I think that is this connector. Let's see. Vent, okay. So we can go out, go back to the wall, and we can come out, change the elevation to 11, and I'm going to go over 135. Let's go over enough. 135, okay. Now, so everything looks like it's being vented, and I think that I'm going to come over here and start my routing. I can come out a little bit more at 45. Come out 45. About right there. Come down. Give my, you know what, I'm going to reverse engineer this thing, because I don't know, the fitting here is going to be, so I want to make sure, let's modify and extend. Extend, okay, so now I can make my elbow. So I wanted to come down to make sure I had enough room. And let's move this up just a little bit, maybe about right there. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna come back. And because they're both at the same elevation, okay, that looks good. So we have, so all of this is happening in the ceiling space, okay? Let's go back to the floor plan. And what we're gonna have to do, it looks like we're gonna need to come up some. So this fitting, I'm gonna undo all of this because I'm too low. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to do something here because I am too low. So I want my riser to be here. You see this? What? Okay. So let's go to a section view and let's come over. I want to rotate this guy in place. Let's highlight and rotate in place here. And let's go 90 again. So let's just bring this down so we are not looking at a whole lot of information. And let's open up that view and see where we are. Okay. So from here, this is going to be my riser. It's going to be a 2-inch riser. Can erase this part. Let's go here. Let's go down. Okay. So that's our riser. And I can, let's make sure that we have the right fittings. Let's go back to our routing preferences. And what I want is I want to use a T sanitary. Yeah, okay, so I want the T sanitary. Say okay, okay, and let's test it out. Make sure I got the right one. Let's go here. Let's go. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna. I'm getting I'm kind of rushing it here. Okay. Nope, that's not the right fitting. Undo. Let's go back. And look at this preference again. T sanitary. I want T reducing vent. Yeah. Okay, T reducing vent. That's the fitting I want. Say okay. Now let's try this again. Let's try this again. Okay. And since they are both at the same elevation, I'm going to have to raise this half-inch vent a little bit higher, so that means, okay, so that's good. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's raise. Okay, so what's that, 11.5? That's 11, I'll go 11.6. And let's extend this out. That doesn't look good. Okay, let's go back. Undo. Let's go back. Make sure I got the right, okay. What? Okay, I've lost my, what is this? What is that? Something's not right. Let's go back. Now, go to my floor plan. Oh, I know what's going on. I know why. There's a view range setting, and the view range is set at 11 foot. And because that vent is at 11.5, it is not showing up. So, view range, let's go 11.6, and let's say okay to that. So there's our vent. It is back. I think I have to align the two horizontal piping so that I can go into my so I can go into my riser, which is here. Let's go back. Our riser, which is here, and to do that, which is a simple math problem. So align pipe 1 to pipe 2. Let's go back and extend here. Okay, so I don't have that extra fitting. I could, okay, that looks good. I'm gonna leave it like that. I think the change I'm gonna make here is I'm gonna come just up and straight across like I did in my lab. So let's go back. This is one of the reasons why I like to have a 3D drawing open, is because what I can do, can erase here and probably here and here. Let's go back to the shower. Okay, and let's bring it out just enough so we can create that elbow and come up, what was 11.5? I'm going to go 11 first because I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that angle or about the height. Let's look at it. Middle 11.5 and 1/2. I'm going to go 11.6 just to make it. Okay, this is simple. 11.6. Okay, And now I can extend the pipe. Okay, so now we're going around. It's 11.6. 11.6. Okay, now we can make another fitting there. And this is 11.6. Well, you know what? I can come from the bottom here. No, I'm not going to chance it. Let's keep it at 11.6. Let's go back 11.6. Or I could have kept the other ones. This one, I could have come in lower. Six of one, half a dozen of the other, right? Where the other ones, this could have been lower. It could have been at 10, 8, and keep these at 11. But it's okay. Maybe next time I'll do that. Let's go back and let's continue with connecting my vent. So now that the vent is finished, I have the sanitary system and I have my vent system. Let's look at it here. And I have the riser, and this is going to go down and collect the other vent. It's going to be a riser vent or a vent stack. Okay, so let's go. Let's make sure. Okay. So the only thing left to do is just to call out the sizes and whatever your office standard is for calling out your sizes and naming your pipes, what sizes, if it's a system or whatever. So I think I'm going to stop here with the vent system and continue next time with probably going to another bathroom area, probably this bathroom. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that helped, and I will talk to you guys later.